You still need someone to underwrite the paper. Find out who it is, on you.
Yeah, okay, forget it.
Here's my card. And we'll help her use it. Pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman.
Hello, everyone. The breeze is coming in at night as always, which is great. But in the afternoon, it's always extra humid. So just want to give guys a quick update about the progress of our moving in. Because the furniture, the really important furnitures are coming in tomorrow. The long ass table and the open wardrobe. Yeah. So we're gonna make space for the table tomorrow first. Then we'll move that section, which is the PC, I'll set up stream on the table so they can fix up the open wardrobe, open closet over there. So yeah, I'm just gonna video down this moment. Oh, one more thing. Check this out. So after doing some research, we finally got our water heater going. Oh my god! Chosen this brand, something very familiar. It might be familiar to you as well. This is so great. We finally can take a shower. I haven't showered in 3 days. Shh. Oh, hot water. Oh my. Oh, still a little cold. We are in the shower. Oh my gosh. Woo. This is the best shower in the whole wide world. Praise the Lord for working water. What a moment to vlog. Right, baby girl? What do you think? Tomorrow your turn, okay? Or after the move. Alright? So we always wanted a big ass trash bin because our original trash bin was way too small. And we finally got a bigger one. Yeah. I think it's originally a laundry basket, but we're gonna use it as a dustbin. Trash bin, yeah. The rubbish chute is quite a walk, so we do need a big ass trash bin, and we have one. Yay! So again, our first shower. Oh my god! 3 days. It will really heat your body up if you're living in like a summer all year long country like ours. Yeah, try not showering for 3 days. You know how I feel. But of course I did like wipe down a little bit with a wet towel, but it wasn't enough. It's so different. I feel so fresh and clean. How about yourself?
24 hours a day, it's fantastic.
Boy. Oh, here we go. Here, ballpark figure. Hold on.
649 days to what that? What that? NFT. Oh, yeah,
Potato for supper. Big spoon. Yeah, she knows. She knows.
I have a franchise that does make me proud. That's the way. I have good. Once you ask for this meeting, what can I do for you? Leave my company alone. I can't do that. I don't have any share. It's not fair. You don't have the money. We will. We will get a contract. There will be no contract. The contract is not there. There's no name. You have it because I'm going to stand like that. You got 30 politicians who will contract. It's the lowest grade hardcore. Yes, yes I do.
No.
I think you do this. You're here. One of the great things. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to join my grandson. You too enjoy your delicious. Good luck. Watch out for your wish. Cherry or pie. Very poor. Totally irrelevant whether I like this one or not. I will not let myself become emotionally involved.
It's always going to be, don't get emotionally involved. That's what you're saying. You stay now, you don't get involved. When I'm the guy, I'm going to roll out and do it.
You and I are similar creatures. We're not two people in one.
Sorry to hear about your dad. When did he die?
Last month. I haven't spoken to him in
Want to try some? Yeah.
No.
I'm joking. Just got an idea. It's like old movies, all I know is just veg out of anything. You still like this?
Good.
Really like coffee.
Good.
I'll tell you what. I'm done.
No. Only. Let's do a closing update. So because today it was really urgent to get the water heater in with the installation at the same day, I was so grateful for the Lazada merchant to have arranged urgent case for us. Yeah, I did literally told the merchant that we haven't showered in 3 days. So the two nice gentlemen came to install the water heater, where everything went smoothly. Just feeling so lots more to share, but for now. And then we did a ton of shopping online because I intended to get all the heavy lifting kind of items via the online app, and then maybe the other essentials. Okay, tomorrow we really have to go to the mall to find the pipe for the washing machine. We did not get that online. I want to look at it myself in case it's the wrong size again. And yeah, just had with potato, me and BB, and just gonna so tired because the humid weather in the afternoon can really drain your energy. So keep yourself cool, and don't be too warm, don't be too cold. Like the weather temperature really will affect your energy like a ton. Yeah, okay, so okay, lots to share, like what to do and what not to do when moving into a new apartment, rental apartment at least. So okay, I'll update you guys on the next vlog. Meanwhile, I'll upload this one first. Don't forget to subscribe, join our Neuro International Discord, and stay connected while we are offline. Hope you guys are having a good week so far. Mwah!